Bucket of doomed souls ready to be judged. Harrison, you tag me in videos like every fucking day. I don't ever respond. Take a hit. Where the hell? Bongo, your name is Bongo, and that's a stupid name. Where the hell? Now, who's next? Bridget, you murdered 4 children in a shopping mall for no reason. Where the hell? Who is this? I don't know who this is. Who the fuck is this? I don't recognize you. Where the hell? Move. Dyson Unlimited. I'm sorry, buddy. You didn't do anything wrong, but I got a quote in a bill. Portal 2. Go now. Spider-Man 2 for the GameCube. What the fuck was that? I was gonna spare you, but you just blew your chance to escape. What the hell? Resistance is futile. Okay, great. David, you know I gotta send you to hell, right, David? Come on, you know what? Hey, come on, get in the portal. Bye, David. Uncle Garfield, you sent me a Venmo request, and that insulted me. What the hell? Get in there right now. Get in there. And Dingledorf, you are the only volunteer? You actually want to go to hell. You crazy bastard.